Hi, just doing a quick demo of this Neopixel Luke looking lightsaber. So just a single button. It's rechargeable with a USB-C cable by removing this bottom bit here. Alright, let's. I don't have the blade installed because the blade is still wrapped in plastic. So press to turn on. Smooth swing. Pretty good. Press it to make a noise. Press and hold to turn it off. Now press and hold to change different sound fonts as you have it turn off. So press and hold. Go to next sound font. Press and hold to turn it off. Press and hold, let's go to the next sound font.
Smooth fuzz. Smooth gray.
And another one. Slightly different sound font again.
Smooth Jedi. CNC.
Ray Skywalker.
Slightly different sound font again.
I'm Cal Kestis.
So this one's a little bit different. Let's try one more.
The Force is with you, young Skywalker. You are not Jedi yet.
So again, very different sound font. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching.